I'm very happy to be picked by FC Goa. This is what this is what I always wanted, and I'm really happy and excited to be part of FC Goa and to represent my state. And it was always a dream to play for FC Goa, and I'm sure that I will receive the love and support from the fans and every FC Goan, every Goan.
22 वर्सांचो ब्रँडन फर्नांडीस खूप टॅलेंटेड सेंट्रल मिडफिल्डर म्हणून फामाद, पूण ताका फाटल्या कांय सिजनात दुखापती जाल्ल्यान ताजो खेळ अजून फुलूंक ना.
I played for Mumbai City FC in the second ISL and was very happy to play for them. It was a really good experience for me, like training under Nicolas Anelka and other good foreigners. And I couldn't play much there because due to some injury, but I came back strong. And I played 2 matches there, and both the matches I had like very good experience, and that were my first ISL.
आता FC गोवान ताका ड्राफ्टांतल्यान घेतिल्ल्यान ब्रँडन खूप खोशी जाला.
ISL 4 will be starting in November, and I hope every Goan and every supporter of FC Goa to come and support us and always cheer us. And we as a team, I hope that we are going to do our best and give a good result in the end of the season.
Prudent खातीर सावियो डायस.